the outer world as you focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, inhaling. Fill your lungs to capacity and then hold it. Allow yourself to get comfortable in your favorite place of softness and safety. Feel yourself supported by the surface your body is resting on, so that you have no need to hold up any part of it. You are supported as you invite a feeling of nurturing and love to come into your awareness. Gently close your eyes and begin to focus your attention inward. Now, draw in one long, deep breath that seems to come from the very depths of your being. And then, release the breath in one long sigh. Ah. Let go of anything that may seem to be holding you back, anything that seems to prevent you from relaxing. Take another breath, only this time let it come from a place even deeper than the last one. As you silently exhale, feel your body releasing even more, immersing itself in a feeling of warmth. Know you are safe and sound, and that all is well. Continue to focus on your breath, breathing long inhalations and exhalations from every core of your being, allowing your body to go into deeper and deeper relaxation. Notice yourself beginning to let go and surrender to that warm feeling of peace. Let this blanket of relaxation spread over your body and feel your mind becoming calm and peaceful. With your next inhalation, visualize yourself inhaling light. As you exhale, imagine you are letting go of all tensions and worries, and allow yourself to totally surrender into the light. For this meditation is one of surrendering to the light of God within you, the divine presence. As you continue to visualize and feel this light permeating your being, say to yourself over and over again, I open myself to receive and accept the transforming light, this divine presence, fully into my being. And now shift your attention to the area around your heart and imagine that beautiful light bathing your heart in love and rest. As the light begins to massage that wonderful organ, feel your heart beginning to soften and open. Self-forgiveness is an act of the heart, a process of surrendering the heavy burdens of pain, anger, and resentment that you feel for yourself, which can cause your heart to shut you out of the divine love found there. Realizing that forgiveness is a process and a practice to allow you to return to your awareness of yourself as a child of God, you enter the remainder of this meditation by being willing to let go of the judgments and condemning thoughts you have of yourself that keep you out of your own heart. You allow yourself now to totally surrender to the light as you feel your heart opening in response to the massaging luminescence surrounding it. Imagine yourself now entering your heart on a beam of that beautiful light. You are immediately filled with a feeling of the presence of unconditional love within your own heart. Your attention is drawn to a translucent form seeming to be made up of the light of your heart that is coming to greet you. Drifting to an even deeper state of serenity and calmness, you realize this being of holiness is the vision of your holy self, come to welcome and support you. As you look into the eyes of this being, you feel love so pure and holy that any residue of fear or separation melts away in the light of that love. You find yourself immersed in the presence of divinity, and you feel your oneness in God. Your holy self holds you and surrounds you as you move toward the deep center of your heart, where you discover a fire burning on a sacred altar. Next to the translucent steps leading up to that pyre lies the burdens of your past that you are willing to forgive. Shaped like heavy wooden blocks, they are piled up and waiting for you to carry each one up to the purifying flames burning upon your personal altar. Bathed in the energy of light and love from your holy self, you approach the pile of blocks, affirming to yourself, there is only the love and the light of God here. You pick up a block, a heavy burden of judgment and self-condemnation. You are determined to embrace the full weight of this burden, to feel all the feelings of pain and resentment contained within that burden of unforgiveness of yourself. You open yourself to receive the gift of wisdom it has to give you. You allow yourself to be directed to the place within yourself that you know you are to love and accept before you can fully release this block. You realize that the block is becoming lighter, and as you ascend the steps, you feel that sense of lightness within you. As you release the wooden burden into the flames of the altar of your heart, you say to yourself, I bless myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. As the flames of your heart engulf the block, you repeat to yourself, I allow the love of God within me to consume this burden and the power I have given it. And I am free. Thank you, God. Descending the stairs, your being feels noticeably lighter, your heart light, a little brighter. Approaching the pile of burdens, you choose another. You strain to pick it up, and once again are open to the wisdom it has for you as you embrace it. Allow yourself to visualize and feel all the hurt caused to yourself and others through the action or inaction you committed here. And once again be directed to the place within you where you must feel self-compassion and self-acceptance. Aware of your holy self by your side, radiating love and light, you ascend the pearly steps to the fire of your heart to release this burden. As you deposit it into the flames of your altar, you say to yourself, I bless myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. The flames of your heart hungrily engulf the block as you repeat to yourself, I allow the love of God within me to consume this burden and the power I have given it. I am free. Thank you, God. And now I'll be silent for a time so that you can continue to repeat this holy, self-forgiving process with each burden. Remember to embrace the block, to be open to the divine wisdom gift contained within it, to be guided to that place within you that needs your unconditional love and acceptance. Then to take the block to the purifying fire of your heart and forgive yourself with these words. I bless myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. And as you watch the flames of your heart engulf the block, you repeat to yourself, I allow the love of God within me to consume this burden and the power I have given it. And I am free. Thank you, God. self-forgiveness ends with the last burden blocks smoldering in the purifying fires of your own heart. Your whole being seems now to reflect the love and the light of your holy self by your side. The lightness and love that you feel now are indescribable, yet you see them in the eyes of this source of unconditional positive love beside you. Your heart space is fully illuminated, and you realize that your forgiveness work